this video, we are going to learn about geo-proximity routing policy. So let's get started. Geo-proximity routing policy is a little bit different than geolocation policy. Yes, it routes your traffic to your resources based on the geographic location of your users and resources. However, there is more to it. You can route more or less traffic to a given resource by specifying a bias value. Now, what's this bias value? It could be any integer, any positive or even negative integer. A bias expands or shrinks the size of geographic region from which traffic is routed to a resource. Now let's take an example. Let's say you are in US East 1 and you want more traffic to be routed to US East 1. What you would do is you would just provide a positive integer as a bias to that particular region. This helps in expanding the region boundaries. To expand or route more traffic to a resource, you just provide a positive integer from 1 to 99. To shrink or route less traffic to resource, you can provide a negative integer from -1 to -99. These resources can be either AWS resources or non-AWS resources, for example, your data centers running on premises. However, in order to implement geo-proximity routing policy, you must use Route 53 traffic flow. This is used to direct more traffic on a particular region. Let's say you are shifting from one region to another region. You can use geo-proximity routing to divert more traffic to one particular region than the other. Now let's take an example. Let's have a look at the image on the left side and have a look at the region 2, which is Northern Virginia. As you can see, it's currently in the standard size, and let's say if I want to route more traffic to this, I would just increase the bias value for this number 2 region, which is Northern Virginia. In the image on the right side, you can see the area covered by the second region, which is marked as number 2, has expanded. You can also observe that the area occupied by region 1 has shrunk. Alright, so that's about it from this video. I hope you now know about geo-proximity, and I'll see you in the next video.